We are making these delicious peanut butter cookies that are so easy to make, so let's get started. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. So first, in a bowl, mix the whole wheat flour, the all-purpose flour, and the baking soda and set that aside. Now in another bowl, take the melted butter and the jaggery powder and mix that in. Once it's combined, add in the peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter for some extra crunch in here, but you can use creamy peanut butter. Then add in the dry ingredients in there and just mix with a spatula. Once it's almost combined, add in the milk. I used about 2 tablespoons. You can add in 3 tablespoons in case you feel like the dough is not coming together. And once you have a ball of dough formed like that, scoop up about a tablespoon of the mixture and flatten it on your palm. And then place it on a baking tray that is non-stick or lined with baking paper. And then using a fork, I just like to make some lines onto the cookies in this crisscross pattern. This is optional, but it does make them look a bit bakery style. And then you're going to bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to let them cool in the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack. And then place them on a wire rack so that they don't get soggy and let them cool completely. I honestly love to dig into them while they're warm as well, and they're just so delightful. There's the crunch of the peanuts, the creaminess of the peanut butter, and the caramel notes from the jaggery powder that just takes these to another level. And the whole wheat flour also adds a nuttiness to it. These are also quite dense and wholesome than normal cookies and are very filling as well. They're a perfect treat to bake for your family to enjoy with some chai or coffee. I really do hope you try these out and subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with new videos, and I will see you soon. Bye!